Oracle's second quarter numbers hitting the wire and disappointing, as you can see from that quick 9% drop in the stock. In particular, second quarter revenue coming out at $14.06 billion. That's below the $14.12 billion that analysts had been anticipating here. When you look also at cloud infrastructure revenue, which really has been the area of the business that has been growing, that is coming in pretty much right in line with estimates at $2.4 billion. Cloud application revenue at $3.5 billion, slightly shy of estimates. And so all of that contributing to the declines that we're seeing. I mean, really, overall, the numbers, you could call them roughly in line to slightly short. But considering the run that this stock has been on, slightly short or even meeting,
yeah, I mean, it's been
ain't gonna cut it.
One of those names we talked about, Julie. It's a monster this year. It's about 80% this year heading into this print. It actually hit a record high this morning in today's trade. I'm just looking at some comments from the execs. Oracle CEO Safra Catz. Now, they're sending a very positive, confident tone, as they often do. Safra Catz saying record level AI demand drove Oracle cloud infrastructure revenue up 52% in Q2, she says, a much higher growth rate than any of our hyperscale cloud infrastructure competitors. Oracle Chairman, CTO Larry Ellison, we know Mr. Ellison never short of words here, loves to go after the competition, says Oracle Cloud Infrastructure trains several of the world's most important generative AI models because he says we are faster, Julie, and less expensive than other clouds. That's sort of been one theme as we talked about, we talked a long time about the war, the cloud war between Amazon and Microsoft and Google, and the sense was that Oracle had sort of muscled in there, which in part, of course, helps explain the rise in the stock we saw this year, but giving up some here in the after hours.
Did you see the stat today that the stock is on track for its best performance since 1999?
I believe it.
As Oracle has sort of come back into vogue, and finally its cloud business has really caught on here, but that, again, I don't know if that 99 stat's in jeopardy, but seeing a drop like this in the shares, of course, it's always possible they could talk on the call and then you could see a reversal in the shares. So we'll stay tuned to see what those execs have to say on the call and if that changes anything.